So today I have this iPhone XS. I removed the original screen because it has a big scratch, and I wanted to see if I can actually remove it using some Loca glue and a tempered glass. First, I'm going to begin cleaning the glass really well. Next, I use this heating tape to cover the whole screen. I cover all around the screen because when I apply the glue, it can get into little places like here. Now I grab my screen protector and I remove the first layer. And believe it or not, there's a second layer also we need to remove. Now the second layer of film that I'm removing, normally don't remove it, but I'm doing it here because I need to get the bare glass. There. Now I can apply my glue. And finally the screen protector. Now it's time to dry the glue. This is a UV light that will dry this Loca glue. So all we gotta do is just move the light around it so it can dry the glue. Now I need to remove the tape and clean the screen. And after I clean the screen, this is what it looks like. I was able to hide that deep scratch. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.